Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the best mobile background remover app. But before we start, like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. We are going to start by downloading some images. Choose whichever one you want to download. Now you downloaded the images. It is time to download the background removing app. First open up the App Store and search Background Remover. Click on this one, download it and open it. Click on Load Pictures. You will find your images up front, or you can go to Downloads and find them. Now your photo is loaded. Click on the check mark to start editing. You can use the eraser to manually cut out the background. You can also increase the size if the eraser. Use the arrows to undo your foolish mistakes. The next part is the game changer. Click the auto color. Increasing and decreasing the threshold determines how clean the photo will come out. I recommend increasing the thresholds to the maximum, and then pointing the cross on the background color you want to remove. Wow! So dang clean. The auto color can be used to remove a specific color you want to remove. Now you have removed the background. Click on the check mark. It will bring you to the finishing touch. Use the numbers to do more deep cleaning. Then click Save. Your photo will be stored in your garbage storage. Find it and use it. I will show you another editing round. Whenever you come across this annoying frustration cuts, use the magic section. It really works like magic. You can increase the size. When using, make sure the middle circle is not touching the photo. Keep it slightly close like you see here, and it will take all the annoying particles out. Now this came out clean as hell. Use numbers for deep cleaning and then click Save. That is it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. See you all my friends, bye.